today we got a new video and we're going to be using this, the mini automatic electric airsoft gun, and we're going to be shooting this giant triangle of cans. And I was a bit annoyed when I was building up this pile. I'm missing one can for the top. Out of my whole collection of cans, I'm missing one, and it's so annoying. But I'm going to do the video, save going out to get a new can. So yeah, let's get on with the shoot. Here we go. The Epic Can Massacre. Right, so we realised that with the first gun it was going to be a bit of a short video, so we're going to use the second gun and we're going to build the pile up again, which isn't very fun. There's 20 cans, so yeah, let's shoot them again. Wait. That was one bullet. Let's take these out. Oh, these Pepsi weren't gonna go over. Damn Pepsi. Ooh, 2 for 1. Ow, another leg. Alright. You can't do it with weapons, you just come in and melee them. That is the way forward.
I could have felt this low in the highlights. So I asked Phil, is there still another day in paradise? Is there heaven for the forever 27? Could it be 3 years till I'm jamming with legends?